Garlic is widely recognized for its ability to fight bacteria. Onions contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation. Romas are a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and many other nutrients. But amazingly, Romas have several beneficial forms of nutrients in the vitamin A family, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and lycopene. Tomato juice makes for an excellent belly fat-burning juice. Tomatoes help stimulate production of the amino acid called carnitine, which is known to boost fat-burning abilities of the body.